The Bosch 18-volt lithium-ion compact tough hammer drill driver. The most compact, lightest weight available. 600 inch-pounds of max torque, high-performance motor. New patented gear train and clutch. 2-speed drill plus hammer drill mode. Durable ergonomic compact design. Half-inch keyless auto lock chuck with 18+1 clutch settings. New Bosch Cool Pack batteries are designed to reduce heat buildup. These high-efficient battery packs stay cooler and live longer, featuring an integrated fuel gauge and superior cold weather performance. Slim pack for lightweight, or fat pack for maximum runtime. Every battery works with every tool. Power to get it done. Tough as nails. Never lets you down. The 18-volt lithium-ion compact tough hammer drill driver.
Bosch, invented for life.